Welcome to the SWAT Help Center. Let's set up your payment portal that you can receive payments from your clients. When creating your first paid meeting, you will be redirected to set up a Stripe account. Enter your email address and select Continue. Next, you will be asked to enter your mobile number to verify the account. Enter the verification code that was sent to the mobile number you have supplied. Following the prompts from Stripe, it allows you to quickly complete the setup. The first prompt asks you to select the country and type of industry you are opening the account for. For instance, in this example, we selected New Zealand and Sole Trader. You don't need to be a business owner to have a Stripe account. Select Continue when you are ready. Next, you are verifying your personal information by entering your name, date of birth, address, and mobile number. Select Continue when you are ready. Follow the prompt and select from the drop-down menu the industry for your service. You can select the option that best matches the service you will be providing. Select Continue when you are ready. Select an account for payouts. Now that you've provided your business or personal information, the next step is to link your bank account. In this prompt, enter the banking details of where you want your earnings to be paid. Select and Continue when you are ready. The final step is about reviewing the details that you have provided. To update any of the information in the review section, just select the relevant pen icon to edit a section. Select Agree and Submit when you are ready. If everything has been completed, you will be redirected back to your meetings dashboard, and you can now schedule your first paid meeting. To access your client payment portal, at any time, all you need to do is select the My Payment Portal button on your meetings dashboard. Lastly, if you require help or support, you can visit our Help Center located in your profile section. In case you need further assistance, our support team is always there to assist. Just drop us a line at support@swat.zone.